Eyebrow microblading is a procedure that is claimed to improve the appearance of your eyebrows. It is supposedly performed by trained technicians, although the training level varies by region. The procedure is basically cutting the skin of your eyebrows and implanting a small amount of pigment into them. According to experts, microblading is part of the eyebrow tattoo process because it involves placing colour or pigment on the skin on a semi-permanent basis in order to improve the texture and colour that looks natural. What to pay attention to? For those of you who have decided to undergo the microblading procedure, you should pay attention to some of these things, especially when undergoing the procedure so that the final result of your microblading does not cause side effects. Firstly, it is important to remember that the equipment used for the microblading procedure must always be a single-use device so that it is always sterile. If you find that your microblading technician doesn't open a new device when it's time for your appointment, request a new device or leave the clinic. It is very important for the patient to feel comfortable, whether it's with the technician or something as simple as the procedure room. Apart from ensuring that you get a safe and responsible technician, you should also be critical of knowing your skin type to see how it might respond to microblading. For example, many microblading experts believe that people with dry skin will get more satisfactory results than oily skin. Therefore, keep in mind that some skincare products can affect the results or the length of the procedure. Start considering the following skincare ingredients on your skin: retinol, acid, fragrance, mechanical peel, chemical peel, and microdermabrasion. Avoid these types of skincare as they may have a negative impact on your microblading treatment. Skincare after microblading. An aftercare treatment for eyebrow microblading is similar to a tattoo treatment, but a little more intensive. After the procedure, the skin pigment will appear quite dark soon and the skin underneath will also turn red. About 2 hours after microblading, use a cotton swab dipped in sterile water over the area to remove the excess dye on your brows and also to keep the area sterile. It will take approximately 7 to 14 days for the skin to begin to appear healed and the pigment to fade back to the desired colour. The steps for caring for the skin after microblading include the following. Firstly, avoid wetting the skin area affected by the microblading action for at least 7 days, including keeping the face dry when bathing. Secondly, avoid wearing makeup for at least a week because the pigment is still stuck to the superficial cuts on your skin caused by blading. Thirdly, avoid picking at the scab, pulling or itching in the eyebrow area. Fourth, don't go to the sauna, swim or sweat excessively until you have a follow-up appointment. Lastly, keep your hair away from the brown line and apply a medicated cream or healing balm provided by your technician. Don't forget to speed up your skin's full recovery. Apply sunscreen regularly to the microbladed area to help prevent fading of your microblading. Potential complications after microblading. Just like any other cosmetic procedure, complications might happen after an eyebrow microblading procedure. Infection of the skin due to irritation or allergic reaction of the pigment is one of the possible complications. In fact, it's common to experience some pain during the procedure, and there may be some residual stinging afterwards. However, you must respond quickly and be aware of whether the microbladed area becomes swollen or not. Excessive yellow or reddish discharge can be a sign of infection. If the area continues to scab after 2 weeks or starts to drain pus, don't hesitate to see a doctor because an infection in the eyebrow area can be very worrying if it has touched your bloodstream. Treatment with antibiotics is necessary if you get the symptoms of infection from microblading. An early warning for those of you with the following criteria: pregnant women, prone to keloids, have had an organ transplant. You should also be careful if you have a liver disorder such as hepatitis. It's better to avoid microblading until you regain your health. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe.
Visit Exhale Laser Clinic, the New York City Queen's top hair removal centre. To make an appointment, call us at 718-504-6565.